let's play dinosaurs today. I have here colorful dinosaurs. I borrowed it from my sons. And then try to name each and every one. I think I have here 8 dinosaurs. Let's start with this. Maybe the red one. The red one is named the Styracosaurus. It has a lot of horns to defend itself. Nice dinosaur. The next one is a full armored dinosaur to defend itself. It's an Ankylosaurus. Next dinosaur is called the Brachiosaurus. It has a long neck and a long tail. This has like a sailboat at the back. It's called the Spinosaurus. This is a fast dinosaur. We call it the Velociraptor. This dinosaur is called Amiragaya. It looks like a Stegosaurus, but look at the half of its body. It's different. This one is a Kentrosaurus. It's also part of the Stegosauria family. And the last one is called the Tyrannosaurus Rex or T-Rex, a scary dinosaur. Thank you for playing with me. Let's play dinosaur puzzles. Let's start with the green one. I started with the head. Next, I think this is the tail. Let's put the tail with the toes and the hands. This green dinosaur is a Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus. It has a head crest to make a honking sound. This yellow dinosaur or orange dinosaur, I think this is a dinosaur in the water, and this is like the tail of its dinosaur. It's called the plesiosaur. A plesiosaur. This dinosaur, I think, is a flying dinosaur. This red dinosaur has wings. Where should we put that? No, not now, not here. Okay, the other one. Okay, and then the next one. Should we put it this way? No. Yes, it's a pterodactyl. Let's go to the last dinosaur, the blue dinosaur. This is the head and the body. No, it doesn't go there. This is the tail, the body and the tail. And the last one, the spine at the back. Yes, it's called the Spinosaurus.